Today's video, I'm going to show you this simple, easy hairstyle, super convenient for the summer. Just 2 French braids, and I'm just going to start by parting my hair down the middle. I only really care if the front is straight, the back really doesn't matter. Sectioned off, I go ahead and spray my hair with water. My hair does need to be completely wet when I do this style, and then after I spray it with water, I go in with the leave-in conditioner and my oil, and I brush that through my hair until it's completely detangled. And then once I have the section completely detangled, I go ahead and start to apply my gel. And I apply a lot, and I mean a lot of gel to each section. That's how I'm going to get my hair to lay as slick and as flat as I want it to be. So that's what you're going to see me do here, is just apply a lot of the Eco Styler gel. And then once I have my gel applied, I go ahead and begin the braid. And whenever I do this hairstyle, I want the braids to end up on the edges and not go towards the back. So I bring the loose hair towards the hairline and just continue to braid as close to my edges as possible. And you can add more gel if you need to while you're braiding. You just want to make sure that you continue to brush your loose hair. That way it's still completely detangled. So I do put a rubber band on the end, and then that's it. I do the exact same thing to the other side. I do put a little bit of gel on my baby hairs, a little bit that I do have. And then I put a little bit of foam wrap lotion on. Okay, and then I put my scarf on. I am going to sit under the dryer for about a half hour just so this can dry a little bit faster, and it'll lay my braids just a little bit flatter than they already are. But you can totally skip this if you want to. But yeah, now we wait. Once it's dry, I do go ahead and add some oil just to prevent frizz and add some shine. And that's it. Super simple, convenient hairstyle for the summertime. This is definitely a go-to hairstyle for me, and I just think it is so cute. But you guys let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Be sure to hit this video with a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more videos.